Good morning, everybody. It's a rough morning so far for us. We're about to go grab the first pieces of equipment. Well, no, make that the second pieces. We're gonna pick up the slates today. This is the first part of our documentary. We're doing a documentary on our making of the Seki, a crazy Samoan love story movie. Navigator Island Pictures coming at you. Director is Aina Yese. My buddy Raymond Tussie back on camera. We're picking up our cinematographer Alex Zodiaco Jr. Yeah, we're gonna head downtown and grab us these slates, and then we're gonna try to build a poor man's Steadicam. Stay tuned. Catch you soon. There he goes. Alright, we're here at the mail office. We finally got to pick up our slates. Dom, our continuity manager or script supervisor, is gonna be hella happy. We got 2 of them. Best came in from China, took 2 weeks to get here. Yeah, 2 weeks, but you gotta pay for the expedited shipping. Anyhow, we're ready to film by Friday. We're gonna get this movie going. The whole crew's gonna enjoy this. I know all our actors are psyched up for this. So stay tuned. Navigator Island Pictures bringing it right at you. Alright, we're here at the ELB. I just got back from a meeting with the Director of Youth and Women's Affairs and Sports. They're about to change their name. What we did, or what I did, was I went up to see if we can get some interns for our movie to help out. And I gotta tell you all, we're on it. Seemingly, I sent him a couple of emails. The reason why there's been a delay, we had a delay response coming from Mr. Woyao Sange. The delay was because I was sending it to his government email and he just hasn't been getting it. So he gave me his other email. They're more than, they're stoked. They want to get on this project. They want to send us some interns, and these interns are graduates from all over the island, high school graduates that are looking to get some experience. So if you're looking to get filmmakers experience, you're right here in American Samoa. Definitely want to hit up the Department of Youth and Women Affairs. They'll put you in contact with us. You get to come and work with us on this movie. Lots of big things happening right here. Navigator Island Pictures bringing it to you. I'm out.